in general, my words to, but based on yung maraming, pareho tayo, Kuya Boy, na fascinated sa dynamics ng demokrasya, yung elements of factors ng eleksyon. So sa pagbabasa ko, some say 3, 4, 5, 6 elements, but to summarize it, one, the candidate.
Okay.
Kasi di ba parang advertising, Kuya Boy, kahit anong ganda nung advertising mo, babalikan nung ano ba yung produkto, di ba? Okay. Then the message. So the message is the advertising or the marketing. So magaling ang produkto mo, pero kailangan magaling din yung benta mo, di ba? Third is the resources. So minsan ito hiniwalay nila. So when you say resources, may tao ka ba? Sa immediate staff mo, may war room ka ba? May ground forces ka ba? So whether it's sa US, Democrats, Republicans, or sa UK, yung Labor Party and the Conservative Party, or Philippine style na admin opposition, and then the money. Diba? Kasi kahit ano sabihin mo, the more resources in terms of finances you have, the more options you have. So kung wala kang pera, SOCMED is a good option. Ang labanan dyan is creativity. But if you have money, you can do both. Diba? Or more than that pa. But the fourth na usually hindi pinag-uusapan is the environment. No? Again, my word, different books use different words for that. But more or less, or if I can pick one word na nabasa ko rin, yung environment. Meaning, 2007 when I was elected senator, and this election, it was very emotional at medyo clear-cut yung issue. So, 2007, it was the anti-Arroyo, whether it was stealing, cheating, lying, whether it was Hello Garci, algorithm.
Okay.
Facebook is algorithm. Most Filipinos still use Facebook. So yes, maraming TikTok, pero TikTok pwede mo pa rin lagay sa Facebook. Maraming nag-Instagram, di ba, for specific projects, programs, or genre, kumbaga. But Facebook pa rin di ba? So, you know, if people sometimes forget, I forgot, that your Facebook is algorithm. So, kung sa Facebook ko, mabango si Camille Villar, ang lumalabas dun, mabango. Kung sa Facebook ko, tinitira si Camille, parating tinitira. Pag sa Facebook ko, mabango si Kiko, so, kung pink group ako, mabango. Kung yung Facebook ko, yung tira ng mga Duterte before kay Kiko or whoever tumira sa kanya ngayon, yung mga nagtuturo sa dagat, ganyan, labas ng labas yun. Diba? Kasi that's one thing I did some deep thinking about na yung pangangalas ka kay Sen Kiko, akala ko lang ba na tinatamaan siya kasi siya, umangal siya mismo Or did it actually help him? Naawa ba na why are you picking with him? Or when megastar Sharon came out and said the right things, did it? But I realized it's also algorithm